Hi, it's Mr. Horthoren signing on again with another Beyblade unboxing. In the last episode I forgot to show off this thing. Where is it? That comes in the box. You get these little cards. They're for the online thing. Don't bother with the code, it's already used. Bay Battles Online. This is Guardian Leviathan, as is obvious. Today's Beyblade is Ronin Dragoon. Ronin Dragoon. Same box, just different parts on the back. Basically the exact same thing in everything. However, different Beyblade inside. This is my left-hand spin. Instructions. Don't need it. It is really cool. I'm just going to toss those now. Left-hand spinners come with a special one. It's not like the normal ring hook. You actually have to have a very... It's like a knuckle grip on it, is how it's meant to be used. Promotes way more spin to grip it like that. So yeah. Tool red this time. Now this one is extremely different than the last one. It has same amount of parts, same everything. Difference being it's a left-hand spin. And instead of being a defense type, it is an attack type. Alright. So, this ring, if it's not already obvious, not round. It's not rounded. And that's how you can tell the difference between an attack and a defense. Defense will typically be more rounded. Yeah. Alright, so the warrior wheel is Dragoon. The face bolt is Dragoon. The elemental wheel is Ronin/Dark Knight. The spin track is a left wing 160. Now there's a wing 160. The 160 is the height of the piece itself. And by saying left wing 160, it means this piece is meant for the left style. Now the little wings on it are basically meant to keep it stable while spinning. The performance tip is a semi-flat. What that means is it is indented. Let's see how that shows up. But as you can see, it's not flat. It's still got, like, if it wobbles, it'll be on a little bit of yeah. And so let's put this thing together. This will probably be a lot shorter than the previous video. First video really was explaining everything to its fullest. This is more along the lines of explaining the bay itself. I think I got everything right. No, that's upside down. And where is it? There it is. Alright. Oops. Now, if memory serves correctly, this is one of the bays used by one of the antagonists. Ronin Dragoon, all set up. Probably my favorite and coolest one. The reason I stopped earlier was because I read this. Because of Dragoon's weight when string chromed, it is notably the first spin stealer that is difficult to knock out by attackers. This makes Dragoon especially broken, defeating most attack, stamina, and defense types. Dragoon can effectively use its weight and left spin prowess to defeat both defense setups and aggressive setups. I don't think I need to say anything else. This thing really is quite crap without synchro, which I'll probably show eventually. What you do is you take the metal ring and you put two of them together. Simple enough. The first appearance is in Assault the Mysterious Blader, and the owner is Sakio Kuriyama. I apologize, I'm butchering these names left and right. He is a main character in the anime manga Beyblade Shogun Steel. He is a mysterious blader and the next Dragon Emperor, succeeding Ryuga. I don't know what that means, but that's what it says. So, yeah. Let's see if there's any interesting trivia about this. I'm confused. Anyways, yeah, this Beyblade is... It stays straight up and down and can attack pretty well, but it's just meh. When it comes down to it, I'll when I actually do the video about it, I'll show and talk about the one that I personally think is has the single best part on it. This does not have any of them. There's these two pieces are really preferential to your playstyle, but there are two pieces that are the best for anything, and they're these two pieces: the performance tip and the spin track. Oh yes, I forgot to show off the launcher. Black, straight black, silver launcher. It's got a pretty cool thing. Since it is a left spin, it spins to the left. The only way to get another left spin is to combine, and I don't know how well it'll work, so we'll see how this goes. Anyways, yeah, as per usual, hope you liked the video. If you did, check out some others. I'm not gonna beg you for a like or a subscription. Hate that. Hate people that say that. However, if you did like this video, check out some of my other ones. Beyond that, hope I made you smile or chuckle at something. Maybe my own stupidity. How to say the names. Oh, yeah, and the card. Pretty awesome. Like, these are awesome. They're like trading cards. If I made you smile, check out some of my other videos. If it didn't, check out some of my other videos. Maybe that'll make you smile. This is Mr. Horthoren signing off after the second video of Beyblade unboxing. Doodles.